Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see this? Xbox gaming mouse in front of you, seriously? Damn! Look at my collection. Look at what I have bought. And this is now in 2023. Can you see this? What is this? This is what I use to charge the above gaming mouse. And what is this? This is a battery. A battery. Can you see this, my friend? Okay, nice. This is the most powerful gaming mouse here. There are Bluetooth technology. And this is Minecraft Pig edition. Look at how so beautiful. And I like it. This is how we look at in the real life. This is what I've done in 2023. And wow, great. Nice. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful and comfortable. Nice mouse. Beautiful. Nice. And it's still working. Can you see the difference? This box is here. This is the original Xbox controller. Xbox wireless controller. Can you see this? The logo. The old logo. And this is so beautiful. Honestly, this is like a dream to have this controller. I love this. Can you see this? Still great, powerful, nice, great, and this is working. Yeah, you can put your battery. Let me try this battery. Let's see if it's still working. If it's working. Can you see this? This is the battery. Wow. When I bought this battery, it was not working. Bro. I don't know why. But it's not working. Okay. Let's test to see. Can put this battery just like that. Nice. Now it's inside. Press the button. As you can see, there are not energy in this battery and it's not working. I don't know why. Wow, beautiful battery, but it's not working, my friend. I don't know why. No, this is why I decided to buy another battery. Can you see this? This is the battery that I bought. I bought this because this battery is not working. I'm shocked. Why? I don't know. No. When you want to buy to charge this controller, you can do this. Put this here. Just like that. Nice position. It's on good position. And you can connect this to electricity to charge your controller. You can even put the second battery here, because there are two batteries. Put this here also. Just like that. To charge. This is a charging dock. Can you see this? You can use this to charge your controllers. Look at how it looks like. It looks beautiful. Not bad. Not bad. Nice. And when you charge it, you will see red piece, blue, green and green, like green. Now you need to use your amazing controller. Okay, let's try to turn on. Can you see under? I put this black thing here because of the brand lines. The brand lines is too much. Honestly, this is why I decided to put this here. Now, look at the both. Quick comparison. Listen. Now, second wheel. Listen. Analog. Can you see this? Sound is so different. Different noises. And this. Nice. And button. Look at the button. Different. Which is the best for you? Can you see this? This is the standard edition. Can you see this? You can see how this thing look like. And you can see how this thing look like. Nice. This is Xbox One S controller. Can you see this? The difference between the both is what? Is Bluetooth technology. There are Bluetooth technology in this brand new Xbox controller. This is the first what I bought, and this is the second because I want Bluetooth technology to connect to my phone and play games. And this is not a joke. It's working. This button, pairing button. When you press, you can pairing. You can see the same pairing button also here. Wow, it's so different. This is more comfortable, honestly. Really comfortable. I like it. It's different than this. Wow. And I love this. I love this color, the texture. Look at that. There's really something very comfortable here. Different texture. Can you see it? Look at that, the old one. Nothing here. This is soft. But there's something cool here. You have not a port jack here. Now you have port jack here. Can you see this? connect your headphone, listen your music, when you play game. Okay, you can listen with notes, with song, everything. It's cool. And when in my experience with what is my experience between the both? For me, when we want to play a game like Call of Duty, I recommend you this controller. When you shot, this is nice. Woo, so great. Boom, 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 boom. I think that this is great. But when you want to play something like football game, eat football, and Free Fire games, or play Pro Evolution, eFootball, PlayStation, eFootball. When you play eFootball, PS, this is for me the appropriate controller what you need, honestly. But I have both. When the battery of this thing is empty, I use the second battery and I can charge the both. This is good to have both controllers because you can feel the difference. Honestly, you can feel the difference between both. If you have not a controller right now and you want to buy a controller and you have money for that, I recommend to buy this. And if you are not money for that, you can buy this. Okay, this is more expensive than this. Okay, nice, but we are not Bluetooth technology here. Sorry. Okay, and this is all the boxes. Wow, Jesus Christ. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click and share and see me what you think about this under this video. If you want to support our channel, the link in the description for PayPal. My link, PayPal link in the description. Well, I'll also use the super things to do it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Subscribe today and go. Woo! Let's go and share.